From volcanic eruptions to floods to storms to the pandemic, the Caribbean community has been severely impacted in 2021. On the heels of those phenomena, and to mark the regional body's 48 years of unity, new Caricom chairman Gaston Brown has sounded a renewed call for climate reparations.
Unlike the rest of the world, we are battling the pandemic at the beginning of an Atlantic hurricane season that has already seen 5 storms within the first month, and which is forecasted to be one of the busiest in recent years. The causes of the climate crisis have already been scientifically established, and the time has come for those countries irresponsible enough to continue their damaging emissions and practices to be held accountable. It is my view.
Speaking at the ceremony of the 42nd regular meeting of the heads of government of the Caribbean Community Caricom, which began on Monday, Brown urged the unvaccinated Caribbean populace to protect themselves and their loved ones. In addition, a call was made for the reduction of travel taxes to increase inter-region travel.
We need to care for it and to provide the inputs and the enabling economic environment, including the reduction of travel taxes, that will allow air transportation to grow our tourism sector back to good health.
With the objectives of pursuing regional viability and to strengthen existing cooperation, as envisioned by the then leaders of Guyana, Barbados, Jamaica, and Trinidad and Tobago 48 years ago, the Caribbean Community Caricom was birthed. To date, Caricom has expanded to include 15 member states and 5 associate members. 2021 also marks 20 years since the adoption of the revised Treaty of Chaguaramas, establishing the Caribbean community, including the Caricom single market and economy. In his Caricom Day message, Guyana's head of state Irfan Ali noted that since 1973, significant strides have been made to develop the region. With Guyana a founding member and the lead agricultural country, President Ali pledged the country's unwavering commitment to Caricom. He also stated that Guyana has, I quote, embarked on a process to transform the regional agri-food sector in order to enhance food and nutrition security, end of quote. Ali also heaped praises on the Caribbean community for their response in managing the impacts of the pandemic better than many nations by providing aid in areas of food security, public health, logistics, and border control. However, he reminded that there is no room for complacency. Meanwhile, Guyana's opposition said that it is crucial that efforts are redoubled to foster regional integration. The APNU-AFC coalition also highlighted the treatment of Haitians fleeing persecution. A call was made for Caricom governments to refrain from the implementation of policies that prohibits the free movement of Caricom nationals within the region. Reporting for the HTB Nightly News, Amel Griffith.